Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm AKJF. This is my Alfa Romeo Mito, and unfortunately, and I've noticed for quite a week now that my CV joint is leaking grease. The CV joint boot is leaking some grease, so I have to replace the boot as soon as possible before all the grease comes up eventually, and the joint get broke. So I don't want it to happen, so I have to replace it. Like, I replace the boot, put inside the joint some grease, all the grease that is loosened, and prevent the damage of the whole axle. But now, without wasting much time, I'm going to remove the wheel and start to go ahead and remove this CV joint. Going to take some time, but hope I'm able to get the job done pretty fast. So let's go ahead. I'm going to remove this nut. That's, I think, 36 millimeter, but it's like secure at the tip to not let it like remove whilst the wheel is turning. It's beating down over here, so I'm going to beat it upwards. I'm going to beat it upwards to like make it easier when I use the socket to remove it. Perfect. Well, a little bit of struggle just came off. Like, that's how that's what we want. Put it aside. Now over here, I'm going to remove all the tubes, the brake tubes that are like coming down here to the hub. I'm going to just disconnect them. There it comes off. The ABS wire, the sensor is off. I'm going to remove go to the other side to remove another tube. This one is for the tank for the brake. I'm turning the hub. Turning it with my hands. Very easy. Now I'm going to try to disconnect to remove the the hosel from the hub completely. Going to disconnect it because it has to come off. I'm trying to remove this panel and see if I can reach the hosel. Move the boot. I have to move just move the clamp, the clamp that's holding the hose clamp that's holding the boot. I just have to remove it. I'm going to turn it to see the side up. There it is, but over here, don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see very well. There it comes up. I'm going to take you guys to my working table and try to replace the boot. Let's go ahead. Going ahead, I'm going to remove this hose clamp that's holding the boot, the broken boot. I'm going to hit it with a hammer. No, let me hit it right here. I'm going to try to remove the joint. I'm going to remove this to get the boot off. So I'm going to remove this clip, C-clip over here, by using this ply. There it comes off. Put it aside. I was able to remove it. I'll give it a proper clean. Now I'm going to remove the broken. There it is. The broken boot over here. I'm going to spray some blade cleaner on it to clean the surface. So I'm going to slide this one. I'm going to try with this one first. If it doesn't like any difficulty, I'm going to use the other one. Like, have to reach this side. Have to push it all the way to like there's one groove here. Once it reaches here, you push it up to this one, up to here. My case, I'm going to use metal zip tie because the original zip hose clamp doesn't hold very well. This is an aftermarket boot, so it's not like very closer to the original. The back here is very close, but here is a different thing altogether. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. Now I'm going to put the ball joint on, the CV joint on. I'm going to put it. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the this little grease. It's 50 grams of grease, but I do have my own grease, like big one over here. Has to be like something around 90 grams of grease inside the CV joint. I'm going to put both here and that side of the car, that side that's left in the car. I'm going to put not too much, like a little small amount over here. I'm going to leave it like this and take the rest to the car. Let's go ahead. I'm going to clean, give it like a little bit of cleaning over here where the grease are. Now I'm putting the rest of the grease over here inside. I think might be enough. Now now I think it's okay over here. I'm going to bring the CV joint to get it inside there. Yeah, guys, as you've witnessed, I was able to put the clip like that one was like in a tight space. Wasn't easy, but we're able to do it with a little bit of struggle. Now we are going to like assemble everything back to in reverse order. I'm going to put the CV joint inside the hub. Well guys, I think with the wheel installed back, I think we are done. This is how to install I was successfully able to put on the boot, the CV joint boot. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and see you next time. Bye.